I think any parent who has an alcoholic partner understands the feeling of constant fight or flight and constantly needing to be 3 steps ahead of their alcoholism to try to gauge when their next drink is coming. Are they going to be sober today? Can they fulfill their parenting responsibilities? After we had separated, my ex-husband, his alcoholism got even worse. I was alerted while I was flying out of town for work that he was attempting to drive my child at the age of 9 while intoxicated. So I hired a lawyer and we went to get an emergency ex parte order and demanded that he get on Soberlink right away. I honestly felt like it was a person, like someone had my back and someone understood what was going on, and something or someone was in my corner. There was so much chaos because my only thing I could concentrate on during the day was making sure that my daughter was safe. Huge relief, huge relief. It's based for families to give peace of mind and safety to children. It is the only thing that was black and white to the judges in the family court system. Being able to print out the monthly client report, and it's plain as day. It was missed at this time, it was missed at this time, it was not taken at all on this date. It's all right in front of them, and a decision is made. I would say it's not an option to not have it. If I did not have Soberlink, I don't know that my child would still be here. You need that protection for your child and yourself. And unless somebody's willing to take the proper steps to live a sober life, it's not an option to not have Soberlink in your corner.